Hi YouTube, welcome to my bar. Today I'm going to show you how to clean out the lines on your Edgestar or similar kegerator. First I'm going to show you what is included in this kit. This is a kit from Edgestar. It comes with a bottle. It comes with a line that we will attach here to clean our lines with. It comes with this pin to go into your coupler for your keg, so we can clean that out as well. A brush so that we can brush the spout and the coupler. A tool to remove the tap. And your sanitizer. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how we use all this. Okay, let's get started. So first things first, we have removed our coupler, which we're going to soak in the sanitizer mix. The next thing we're going to do is use this tool and take this tap off. I've already loosened it, so. Okay, now this is my personal handle. I don't want to put this in the sanitizer, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off. So now we have our tap handle, our keg coupler, our spring, and we can take that out too. I do recommend having a paper towel under this, as you are going to get some residual leakage from your keg. Down here, I already have the line in a 5-gallon bucket because we're about to fill this with the sanitizer solution and flush it through. So what you're going to want to do is get a 1-gallon container, and we're going to mix 1 gallon of hot water with the sanitizer solution, 1 tablespoon. So we're going to go get some hot water, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So now I mixed up 1 gallon of sanitizer solution, and I poured the solution into this bottle. I still have this much remaining. I have screwed this hose onto the tap here. Now I'm going to screw this onto the bottle. Keep in mind I still have my 5-gallon bucket with my line inside of it. And we're just going to lift up and pour about half of this solution through. So we're going to let that fill up the line and start going through the bucket. Alright, we're about halfway there. It is completely through the lines, so now we're just going to put this upside down. Maybe. Put this out of the way somewhere where it's not going to fall over, hopefully. Yeah, just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let that sit in the line for about an hour. And in the meantime, we're going to take our coupler, use this little tool, and this is going to pop out a couple of pieces here. They look like that. And I'm going to leave this in, and we're just going to let this soak for about an hour in our gallon of sanitizer. And I also am going to put the tap and that spring in there to soak as well. So we're going to let all this sit for an hour, and then I'm going to go back through, finish flushing this, and we're going to do another flush with hot water. I'm going to pull these pieces out. We're going to scrub them with our brush, let them soak again for a little bit. Then we're going to rinse everything off and let it all air dry. So we'll be back in just a little bit. Welcome back, guys. So through the power of time lapse, it's been about an hour, and what we're going to do now is finish flushing the sanitizer through the lines. So I'm just going to lift this up and let this finish flowing through the line. Again, I still got that 5-gallon bucket in there. And then we're going to give a good scrub to the equipment that's been soaking. And after that, the last step is going to be, we're going to fill this back up with hot water. We're going to just give everything a good rinse. I'm going to rinse some hot water through here, and we're going to let the lines dry. So I'm going to pull this pin out. We're just going to give this a good scrub. It's kind of like cleaning a gun barrel, if you ever cleaned a gun barrel before. We're going to scrub the base of it also, and get any residual stuff off. And you can go in the other way too. Same thing with the tap. Just going to give everything a good little scrub here. And then the springs, I'm just going to scrub them a little bit too. All right, and then what we're going to do, now I'm going to just, now that I've given everything a good scrubbing, I'm going to set it back in there and let it soak again for a little while longer. And like I said, so the last step after that, we're just going to rinse hot water through the lines. I'm going to rinse these off after they've soaked for a little bit longer and let everything dry and put it back together. So there you go, guys. Hope this helped anybody who needs to clean the lines on their kegerator. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.